All right, so we just have our lean ground beef in our little tart pans. Now I'm gonna come in with my minced garlic. And I like using this squeezy tube because then you can just squeeze it right into the patty just like this. I'm making 6 patties today, but you can make obviously as many or as little as you need. Look how delicious that looks. I love garlic. It smells so good. Now I'm gonna come in with some Himalayan salt, and you can season this to your liking. I'm just using what I like, which is salt, just a nice little sprinkle on each one. It doesn't need too much. Yeah, perfect. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of pepper right in there. Oh yeah, and you can obviously season your meat beforehand, but I really wanted this to be right on top, and you will see why in a second. Beautiful. Last seasoning I'm gonna use is some onion powder. You could use garlic powder if you don't like onion. Ooh, that one came out heavy, but you know what? I bet it's gonna taste amazing. It's better to over season than under season. All right, now I'm gonna come in with some cheese, and I'm using shredded mild cheddar cheese. Shredded is gonna be the best cheese for this, but you can use any kind of cheese as long as it's shredded. And we're just making an easy, quick dinner. You know, if it's a weekday and you don't have a lot of time because you got off work, this is a great dinner to make for your family. It's super delicious and, like I said, easy. Okay, and you could use turkey ground beef, you could use chicken ground beef, whatever, or not beef, you know what I meant. Whatever ground meat you like, just put it right in there. Oh yes, this is looking good. I want a lot of cheese, so I'm being heavy-handed with these. Delicious. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of bacon, and I have these real bacon bits, and we're just gonna do a nice little bit right on each one, because cheddar and bacon together are a dream combination. Ooh my, this is gonna be delicious. Okay, right in there. You could use fresh bacon if you prefer, but I wanted this to be quick and easy. Now, what goes great with cheddar and bacon? Some green onions, and I'm just gonna do a small little cut right on top of these little patties. Oh, look at that pop of color. I'm excited. All right, now we're gonna grab another patty, make sure it's nice and flat, and we're gonna put that right on top because we are making stuffed burgers. Oh yeah, and I love using my little tart pan because it just keeps everything inside. And that is ready. All right, you guys, my oven is set to 350, and these are gonna cook for like 20 to 25 minutes. All right, our burgers are almost done, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my buns. You can use whatever buns you like, and we just need 6 because we only made 6 burgers. Go ahead and open these babies up just like this. Ooh, I guess my pan is a little big too, but that's fine. Never hurt nobody. All right, and I want to toast these buns up because I love toasted buns. Oh, actually that was perfect. Now, before we toast them up, I am going to do a little butter on there because butter makes everything better. Okay, oh, last bun. Beautiful. All right, and we're just gonna pop these in the oven with our burgers for the last 5 minutes. All right, these took like 2 minutes, but they're perfect. Let's go ahead and get our mayo on here before we get our burgers out. And just do a nice little squirt on each one. Obviously, use whatever condiments you like. I like mayo and a little ketchup. Okay. Boop. Makes your life so much easier just dressing up all your buns all on your sheet pan. All right, let's go ahead and grab those burgers. I think they're ready. Oh my goodness, they smell incredible. Look at those. Wow. I am so excited to try them. Okay, let's go ahead and get these a little bit closer to our buns. So we can just potentially pop them right out. And, oh yeah, look how easy that is. And look, all the grease just stayed in that little tart pan, making our life that much easier. So easy to clean up. Beautiful. All right, and obviously you could add your lettuce and your tomato, but I just wanted the burgers to be the stars. So let's go ahead and serve these up. And this one's gonna be mine. Let's go ahead and cut this baby open. Woo. I'm so excited to see this. Oh yeah, cut through that whole entire bun. See our perfectly cooked patty. Oh my, that looks so good. Okay, gotta try it. Mmm. Mmm.